Animal tissue. Animal tissue are a group of specialized cells that works together to perform a specific functions. They are similar in structure and embryonic origin. Study of tissue is known as histology. It came from a Greek word histos means tissue, logos means study. Marcello Marfigi was the founder of histology. Based on structure and functions, there are following types of animal tissue. They are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Let us talk about epithelial tissue. They are compactly arranged with no intracellular spaces. It is the outer covering of the body organs. They are originated from either of three germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, or endoderm. Functions: helps in protection, covering, secretion, absorption, gas exchanges, reproduction, and sensation. There are following types of epithelial tissue. First, we talk about simple epithelium, single layer, simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. It is composed of thin, flat, polygonal cells with central spherical nuclei fitted like the tiles of mosaic floor. It is also known as pavement epithelium. Location: it is found in the lining of xylem, fluid-filled body cavity, buccal cavity, surface of lungs, alveoli, etc. Functions: its function is for covering, secretion, absorption, excretion, etc. Simple cuboidal epithelium. The cells are cube-shaped, roughly square in vertical section of the tissue. Therefore, it is known as cuboidal epithelial tissue. All cells lie on a thin non-cellular basement membrane. Location: they are found on salivary glands, sweat glands, germinal layer of testes and ovary, etc. Functions: the main functions are secretion, absorption, protection, etc. Simple columnar epithelium. The cells are composed of tall pillar-like cells. Nuclei are placed towards the basal portion of the cells and they are elongated. It may also consist of goblet cells. Location: they are found in the lining of stomach, intestine, digestive glands, gallbladder, etc. Functions: the main functions are secretion, absorption, lubrication, and excretion. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. They are multi-layered due to variation in the position of nuclei in different cells and also due to presence of smaller cells in between larger ones. Often consist of cilia and goblet cells. Location: they are found in the lining of the lumen of trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, male reproductive ducts, etc. Functions: the main functions is for secretion, clearance, transport, and protection. Stratified epithelium or compound epithelium. Multiple layer. Cells are arranged in two or more than two layers. special function is to protect against abrasion and chemical damage. The lower cellular layer is known as stratum germinativum, attached to the basement membrane. They are of following types: stratified squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, stratified columnar epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium. It is a type of multi-layer tissue found in those body parts which are liable to high level of physical and chemical stress, such as skin, mouth, tongue, vagina, urethra, etc. Keratinized stratified epithelium. The uppermost layer are flattened, horny, or cornified and dead, filled with scleroprotein or fibroprotein called as keratin. Location: hair, nail, etc. Functions: check water loss from body and prevents tear and wear of the skin. Non-keratinized stratified epithelium. Found in the soft and moist body part, no keratinized or dead cells, and no power to check the water loss. Location: inner surface of mouth, rectum, etc. Functions: protect underlying surface from wear and tear and from drying. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. It consists of several layers of cuboidal cells. Location: forms lining of lactiferous tubules of mammary glands, ducts of sweat glands, etc. Functions: to cover and protect the underlying surface. Stratified columnar epithelium. It consists of multiple layers of cells where the outermost layer of cells are columnar in shape, middle layer is cuboidal. Location: it forms the lining of vas differentia, respiratory tract and mammary gland. Functions: its function is to cover, protect and propel material. Transitional epithelial tissue. Transitional epithelium, also known as urothelium, due to special type of stratified epithelium. It has ability to stretch and distend dramatically. This allows the organ it lines to accommodate significant changes in volume without rupturing. Location: it forms the lining of the urinary bladder. Functions: it provides elasticity for stretching of urinary bladder. Specialized epithelial tissue. It refers to any epithelium whose structure is uniquely modified to perform a specific complex job that goes far beyond simple protection. This adaptability makes the epithelium one of the most diverse and functionally crucial tissue types in the body. There are following types of specialized epithelial tissue: ciliated epithelium. Location: respiratory tracts, moves mucus, fallopian tubes, moves eggs or zygote. Functions: movement of material across the surface. Sensory epithelium. Location: forms the lining of internal ear, tongue, retina of eye, nose, mouth, etc. Functions: sensory transduction, that is conversion of a stimulus from the external or internal environment into an electrical signal. Germinal epithelium. Location: Found in the germinal lining of gonads like testes and ovary. Functions: helps to carry out gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis in male to produce spermatozoa, and oogenesis in female to produce eggs or ova. Glandular epithelium. Glandular epithelium is located throughout the body, forming the two main types of glands. Exocrine glands. These glands secrete their products into ducts that leads to the surface of an epithelium. Location: sweat glands skin, salivary glands mouth, sebaceous oil glands skin, liver secrete a bile into a duct, mammary gland, and pancreas secrete digestive enzymes into the pancreatic duct. Functions: thermoregulations, lubrications, digestions, protections, etc. Endocrine gland. These ductless glands secrete their product hormones directly into the bloodstream or the surrounding interstitial fluid. Location: pituitary gland brain, thyroid gland neck, adrenal glands on kidney, and pancreas secrete insulin and glucagon into the blood. Functions: metabolism, blood sugar level, stress response, growth and reproduction. Unicellular glands, single isolated secretory cells within a lining epithelium. Location: goblet cells found in the lining of the respiratory and digestive tracts. Functions: lubrication of food.